Hello everyone! Today we'll crochet a golden Christmas star with a cute Santa hat, perfect for Christmas decoration or a small handmade gift. Please like, subscribe, and watch till the end to support us and give us motivation to create more videos. You'll need 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring, chain 2, then make 10 double crochets into the ring, slip stitch to close the round. Tip: pull the magic ring tightly so the center looks neat and has no holes. Great start! Next, round 2, chain 2, then make double crochet increases in each stitch around, meaning 2 double crochets in every stitch. Slip stitch to join. Tip: make sure you count your stitches. You should have 20 stitches in total. You're doing amazing! For round 3, chain 2. Then repeat 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase around the circle. Slip stitch to finish the round. Tip: keep your tension even so the star stays flat and smooth. Take it slow and enjoy the process. Now round 4, this is where we create the star points. Chain 1, then work the following sequence: single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet, then extended stitch and giant stitch, followed by giant stitch and extended stitch, then double crochet and half double crochet, and finish with a single crochet. Repeat this pattern around and slip stitch to close. Tip: this round has many stitch variations, so go slowly. The details here will make your star beautiful. You're almost done with the star? Let's move on to the Santa hat. For round 1, make a magic ring with 6 single crochets. Slip stitch to close. Tip: keep your stitches snug so the hat holds its shape nicely. For round 2, chain 1, then repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase, 2 times. Slip stitch to join. Tip: if needed, use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. You're doing great. From round 3 to round 5, crochet the same way, following the chart shown on the screen. Tip: if the piece curls slightly, gently stretch it flat with your hands. For round 6, chain 1, then repeat 4 single crochets and 1 increase, 3 times. Slip stitch to finish. Tip: your hat should now look more defined. You're doing an amazing job. Finally, round 7, chain 1 and make 19 single crochets around. Slip stitch to close. Tip: congratulations, you've completed the Santa hat. And that's it. Your golden Christmas star with a Santa hat is now complete. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Watching the full video really helps us stay motivated to create more crochet videos for you. See you in the next tutorial, and happy crocheting!